pretty nice out. Said it 100 times. You know why? Because it's pretty nice out. Well, I've done this thing. I've done this ride a bunch of times, and I still love it.
Recording.
Beautiful day. You always got to remember there's going to be cars here. I say it all the time. It's so easy to forget. I was daydreaming and a car came up behind me. There it is. I had I woke up and just took off. Now I lost it. Well, I mean, it's not designed to keep up with me, you know? Not built. You know, that little 400, you go like 25 miles an hour, you feel like a hero. And like that, slow bike fast. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. Giddy up. It's fun, putting around. Doing a little bump and grind on the road. Oh, I love the turns. See, like on pavement, you want to have traction, but here, you kind of want to glide around that turn. Yeah, this is the best kind of riding right here. I don't care what you say. You is wrong. All right? I'm going to tell you right now, you're wrong. But I haven't always been at this spot right now. So if I met me 6, 7 years ago, I might argue with me. I need somebody in front of me. Scout it out. Figure, they get hit, then I just avoid that spot right there. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Look at this. I love it. Not too dusty, you know why? Because I'm traveling faster than the dust. The dust is back there. Bye dust. Ooh, God's country. I remember when they were cutting this down. Now they're on the other side. They ain't done. All right. Oh, there we go. Slide. No, gotta hug it. Yeah. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? I remember when I first discovered this. What I like about today is I'm not working up a sweat at all, period. I'm real comfortable. It's just endless mountains. Like I say, always got to watch out for the guy coming at you. And it happens all the time. All right, well, I'm just so glad I can do this still. I'm bummed that I just discovered how to do this about 4 years, 5 years ago. When this kind of riding. When I lived in Hudson Valley, man, I wish I had one of these. I talked to my wife about just missing that area. She's like, let's move back. I'm like,
Recording.
I just love it back here. I don't know what here is. I'm just saying, it is definitely a road just connecting two spots, two other spots that mean something. It's the connector road. It's my favorite kind of road. Look at that. I remember when this whole thing started for me, whole group started, rode with a bunch of buddies. Different buddies at different times. But the one thing is, this has always been something I just love doing. And man, riding off road, if you haven't done it, you have to try it. Oh my God. Yes.
Recording.
Uh, Look at that house, man. That looks like it's from back in the day. You got the older trees
Battery level is low.
coming up on the river. Battery level's low, so this is it. Thanks for joining. Don't forget, like and subscribe. Wow, isn't this beautiful? I would like owning that house right over there, and I can, I'd have to come down and walk over here. If it was my land, it wouldn't bother me. Somebody owns a bunch of land. All right, thank you for joining me. Bye.
Recording.
Racing back home. Got a long way to go. So, just turn around. Figured I'd come back the way I came in. It always looks different the other way around.
Battery level is low.
I could ride this 300 times more, and wouldn't bother me. I like it. By yourself. In the valley. All right.
Like and subscribe, please.